Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Classroom, join classes online step by step clearly. Open a web browser on your computer or open the Google Classroom app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you have a stable internet connection before you continue. In the browser, type classroom.google.com and press enter. In the app, tap Google Classroom to launch it. On the first screen, select Go to Classroom if you see that option. Click or tap Sign in to begin the login process. Enter your Google account email address or phone number. Click or tap Next to continue. Enter your Google account password carefully. Click or tap Next and wait for the account to load. If you see a two-step verification prompt, complete the verification method shown. If you are asked to choose an account, select the correct Google account for school or personal use. Read any welcome or permission screens and click Accept or Continue when needed. When Google Classroom opens, look at the top right for a plus sign button. Click or tap the plus sign to open the class options. Select Join Class from the menu. Ask your teacher for the class code if you do not have it yet. Click or tap inside the class code box. Type the class code exactly as it was given, including any letters or numbers. Check for common mistakes like extra spaces or incorrect capitalization. Click or tap Join to enter the class. Wait for the class to appear on your classroom homepage. Click the class card to open it and view the stream page. Use the Classwork tab to see assignments, materials, and quizzes. Use the People tab to see your teacher and classmates if available. If you cannot join, confirm you are signed in with the correct Google account. If the code fails, request a new code because some codes expire or are disabled. If you are using a school account, ensure your organization allows classroom access. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.